What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my very first retwist, or should I say my very first retightening with my braid locks. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so before we jump into today's video, I just wanted to give a little bit more of an insight in regards to my braid lock journey within its first 4 weeks. So as you guys would have seen in the previous videos, which will definitely be linked above, you will see that I have documented each week, you know, from week 1, week 2 to week 3, and now it's week 4. And in today's video, obviously, as I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you how I retighten my braid locks. Now, the interesting thing about my braid locks is that I have noticed that within the space of 4 weeks, my hair has grown so much. And of course, I only use the Here We Grow products on my hair. And what I can definitely say about this retightening, retwisting session, which was not very nice for me, is the hairs in the back. Oh my god. Now, as I mentioned, the hairs in the back of my head, they have grown the most. Like, it's like almost 2 inches in length in the first 2 to 3 rows at the back, right? When I was retwisting those, I found those to be a little bit more challenging because I had to continuously, you know, try and interlock the roots until it got tight to my scalp. Well, not crazy tight, but you know, closer to my scalp. And it was a little bit frustrating. Not too much frustrating, but just a little bit frustrating because it's like, when are we gonna be done here? But as for the others, you know, the rows up onwards, you know, it was so much easier. I only had to interlock it twice. And you know, I went sideways and then I went under, and you know, it was so quick and it's quite neat. So I'm actually happy with the retightening. The only thing I would suggest to anyone out there, because it's something I'm going to do for myself, is when I see that my new growth has grown to about 1 inch, then I'm going to retwist or retighten the roots, because anything longer than that, it's like, oh my god, when are we going to get to the scalp, you know? yeah, so that was my retwisting session, first time interlocking, and you know, a whole set of locks, because you know, when I did my 2-strand twist starter locks, I did interlock the roots in the beginning, and that was simply just to secure the roots, because obviously 2-strand twist, it's so much easier to unravel. But to say I'm going to do a retwisting session and or retightening session, and I'm simply just doing it with the latch hook needle, I have to say this method was quite quick. Like in comparison to when I would do my retwisting with my 2-strand twist, I really went through this so quick, because it was like, okay, simple, 1 2 1 2. But when I had my 2-strand twist one, what I did use a holding gel sometimes, and you know, having to do that, and then you know, you get in the thing, put it on here, twist it, then get the clip and put it on, and all of that. You know, it's a little bit more extra, but it's okay. But with this, you literally just use your latch hook needle, and you just go 1 2, finished, and move on to the next. Also, some of my braid locks still came undone. Anytime I wash my hair, it does come undone, some of them. Thank God not a lot of them this time around. So I started plaiting down some, like these ones. I you know, continued well, wherever it was unraveled to, I then plaited it down, and as you can see, my hair ain't, it just went right up. I plaited it back down, and I started realizing I didn't want to do that to the rest of them, so I just left them as they are. So yeah. Also, remember to go ahead and check the cards above as well as in the description bar below for similar videos like this one. And if you found today's video very helpful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So until next week Sunday at 5 p.m, we will be right back here with another video.